About 4 months ago, I transplanted these Cordyline tea plants. They were growing quite well, and there was a lot of new growth, but they were a bit leggy, and so I decided it was time to give some of them a good pruning. I figured with all these stems, I may as well make some cuttings. If your plants are already producing some auxiliary stems like mine are doing, you can make your cut right above that. I am not going to use the top part with all the leaves. I will use the bottom, more woody section. Snip off all of the remaining leaves from the stem. It's a bit difficult to tell which end is up, so as soon as I make a cutting, I like to mark the top with a felt tip pen or permanent marker. I just put a small mark at the very top. Note that you can get multiple cuttings from one stem. I didn't choose or use the really thin stalks. They can be from 6 inches, 15 centimeters, and longer in length. The plants root easily in water. Place the cuttings in clean water and leave in an area where they get plenty of indirect light. That's all you really need to do. Change the water as needed if it starts to look dirty or develop mold or fungus. And if you live in an area with mosquitoes, be careful that no larvae start growing in the water. It's been 4 weeks now, and all of our tea plant cuttings have beautiful new leaves and lots of roots. I've put them on a plate so you can get a better look. They are now ready to be planted directly in your garden or into your containers. It's really easy to make tea plant cuttings. No doubt it's one of the main reasons you can find them in so many locations in so many countries around the world. Happy gardening! Click on the Community tab for updates and previews of upcoming videos. Click on the Playlist tab for videos grouped by subject. See ya!